Alaikum. University of Bologna, Italy is offering fully funded scholarships for international students with no requirement of IELTS. So to apply for this university, we will just go to Google and type here scholarshipsguides.com. So I will open this website, and here at the right you will see a list of different universities whose application procedures are mentioned over here. So I will click on University of Bologna, Italy. Here I can see a complete information regarding this university, and while scrolling down, here we have eligibility criteria. So to apply for master's program, we should have a bachelor's degree. And here is a list of required documents. You can prepare these documents before applying to this university. And here is a list of different programs that are being offered by this university. Like engineering and architecture, there are several different engineering programs that come in this category. So you will just have to go to the university website and check all the programs that are being offered. So to apply, we will just click on this link. This will take us to university website. Okay, so to check programs, we will go to study and click here second cycle degree. So to apply for master's program, you have to select second cycle degree, and to apply for bachelor's program, you have to click on first and single cycle degree. So I will click on second cycle degree. Okay, so here is a list of departments that are 144 degree programs that are being offered by this university. So you can check these programs one by one. For example, if I want to apply at engineering and architecture, so it has 29 programs. I will just click over here, and this will show me a list of different programs that are being offered by this university. Okay, so you can find your program, and then you have to click on here online services. Okay, here you will find a button student online. You will click over here. This will take us to university portal. As we don't have any account yet, so I will click on register button to first create an account. Okay, as we are international students, I will click on international students registration. Here we will fill all the information that is required here, like gender, date of birth, country of birth, town. You can fill these details according to you. Okay, then you will have to provide contact details. Here you will fill your contact details like email, okay, you have to provide your contact number and your email. Okay, then in the residence you have to select your country of residence and then your town, whichever it is. Okay, then street, you can also add postcode and telephone of residence. And if your domicile is different, domicile address is different from your residence, then you will have to check this box. Otherwise, you just uncheck it. Okay, then you have to click next button. Here I have to enter the check code. I will just write it over here. Then you have to check this box and click on confirm. So credentials, so they have generated our credentials. We just have to go back over here on this portal and then click on login button, as now we have our credentials and we have already registered on the portal. So I will just have to, and then you have to click with enter with UNIBO. Okay, so to sign in we will just have to first change our password, then we will sign in. So I will click on this. I will enter my username and also password that they have given me. Also this password is sent to your email address, so you can just copy it from there also. I will write first this password and then you have to create your new password. I am creating over here. Your password must fulfill these requirements, otherwise it will not be you can't create that password. You should follow all these instructions. Okay, then I will click on confirm button. Okay, so our password has been created. I will click on login button. It will again take me to login portal, and I will log in by. So after logging in, we will see this page. So here we will click on admission application to start our application. Here, as we are applying for master program, then we will click on second cycle degree program. So if you want to apply in bachelor's, then you will click on first cycle degree program. So I will click on second cycle degree program, then we will click on next button. Here we can see different programs that are being offered by this university. Okay, so you will have to select your program. For example, I select just wait a minute. I select food, this biotechnology, food animal metabolism and management, this program. You can select according to yourself. Then I will click on next button after selecting this program. Here there are 4 intakes that are being offered by this university. So for first intake, deadline is passed, while second is also passed, but for intake 3 and 4, deadline is still pending. So I will click on intake 3, then click on next button. Here I will have to fill my personal data that I have already filled while making the account. So I will click on next button. Here I will have, if you have already a qualification, then you will check this box, otherwise you will check this one. So I will provide my academic information, then you will write your university name, whatever it is, degree, then your municipality, your address, whichever it is, then your postcode. Okay, then you will have to select your country from here. Then you will click on next button. Here, as we are non-EU students, then you will have to check this box, second one. Then click on next button. Okay, here you have to provide your passport number and its expiry date, whatever it is. Then click on confirm button. Okay, the application has been accepted. We have to upload these documents: identity document, passport, transcript, CV, and English language proficiency. So I will just click on add attach documents button, and I will upload these documents one by one that are required. First of all, I have to upload an identity document. You can write here passport, then click on attach file and upload file. Okay, then click on save button. It is uploaded. Now you will upload your transcript. Okay, so after uploading these documents one by one, you will upload CV and then English proficiency certificate. English proficiency certificate. Okay, so it's also uploaded. After uploading these required documents, I will just you can also upload other documents if you have any training courses or these. Then you will click on close button. After clicking close, you will see that your application has been submitted. Okay, so it was the procedure to apply at University of Bologna. Okay, thank you.